We are now in Hall 3, which is part of Analytica Anacon India and India Lab Expo. And I'm with Mr. Atheejoe Nargunam, who is the head of commercial marketing for India for Merck Life Sciences. Atheejoe, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Rahul.
How are things going? We're well into day one.
Oh, absolutely. So today is the first day, and we have a lot of our customers coming in, and we are having a good footfall at this one.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So let's talk about Merck in terms of what you do and what you bring to the industry and your involvement within the industrial ecosystem for pharma.
Absolutely. Thanks for the question. So Merck, if we look at it, it's a 360-odd-year-old company headquartered in Germany. And so we are present in India for over 50 years. And we are one of the largest company which has been kind of sustainably growing over the last 350 odd years. And we have been delivering solutions to majority of the pain areas that the industry has been focusing on, working on. So if you look at it, we work on three spaces: healthcare, electronics, and life sciences. Of course, we are here as Merck Life Science here. So we definitely are a major player in the pharmaceutical industry in India. And if you look at it, we have showcased some of our important brands here: Belapure, which is a preparation, separation, and filtration technologies products. We have Supalco, which is our analytical range of products. And Mallikh, which is a lab water solution. So that's what we have showcased here. Right. Yeah. So if you look at it from discovery until a molecule is manufactured, we touch even every single point in the pharmaceutical industry, and we have been playing a major role there.
Right. Well, a company that's over 300 years old and in India over 50 years, that's a pretty long track record.
Oh, absolutely.
But obviously, in that time, you've gone through a long journey, which has offered many challenges as well as opportunities. But coming to this day and age, when we got so much competition, we've got AI and machine learning, which is becoming a larger part of the industry. How is that impacting you, and what are the challenges that brings?
Okay, thank you. So today, if you look at it, the pharmaceutical industry in India is in a very, very important phase of the industry. Of course, we are very large. We are already, I think, the third largest in terms of volume, and but about 11th or 12th largest in terms of value. But if you look at the Indian pharmaceutical industry, both the government and the industry is trying to step up the value play in the market. So that's where Merck plays a very, very important role. So if you look at it, we have our research solutions, which helps the researchers in drug discovery and to make it fast and to make it well. So that's one. And similarly, we have our process solution product lines, which helps in manufacturing of these drugs. And coming to your specific question on AI and ML, of course, the world is moving towards it. And we are also working on many of those technologies. We have some of our product lines like Addison and Cynthia, which helps drug discovery faster and smarter. So that's what we are doing. We have been partnering with many pharmaceutical industries, companies around the globe, working with them on these technologies.
Right. So that's some of the challenges. What about the opportunities? Now, we know that in India, there's a move from more generic products to value-added products. How does that feature in your strategy?
Okay, so when it comes to movement from generic to value-added or more innovative products, so if you look at it, number one, there is investment in research which is growing, and we play a very major role in that particular ecosystem. So we have hundreds of thousands of products which goes into drug discovery, which we play here. So that's number one. Yeah. And secondly, if we look at it, we also do our programs of skill development for the students, and also for the young professionals, which definitely help them in skilling themselves and making them ready for the industry. Right. And of course, we have many innovative solutions, and we are one of the most innovative companies in this part of the industry, wherein we have been delivering those innovative solutions, which helps the country step up from generic to a value play.
Okay. Now, exhibitions obviously play a large part in your customer outreach strategy. Absolutely. What is it that exhibitions like AAI, ILE bring to Merck, and how do you then leverage that?
Okay, so we have been partnering with, particularly in Anacon, particularly when it comes to these solutions that I spoke about for the last few years. And if you look at it for this part of the industry, this is the place to be in. And this is where most of our important customers, they come So they share their perspectives, they bring to us their problems, wherein we introduce their solutions. And it's a good time that we also catch up with most of them, and that's what we have been doing as well.
I think that's true. That the ability to just have a conversation over a cup of coffee, that's far more important than sometimes having a business discussion necessarily. You know. So,
Yeah.
okay. So moving on from that, now obviously you're here in Hyderabad at the exhibition. What are you hoping to gain out of this particular show?
Okay. So once again, as I mentioned, so this is a place wherein we definitely get to hear about a lot of problems and the needs that the industry kind of comes up with. So that is definitely one. And secondly, if you look at it, we have showcased some of our new products here, and this is where we would want to kind of connect with customers and talk to them about how these new products are solving their problems. So that is definitely second that we are kind of looking at, and of course, as usual, meeting up with a lot of old industry colleagues and friends. So that's what we are looking here.
Okay. Atheejoe, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And the next two days yet to happen.
Absolutely.
And all the best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.